Feeling stressed? Whether it's work, family, school, relationship, or even your pet turning your sofa into a snack. You're not alone. But here's something surprising. Stress isn't always the enemy. In fact, it might be the hidden fuel you need to grow stronger and achieve more. Today, let's dive into the surprising power of stress and how it can help you thrive. Number 1. Stress can boost your focus and performance. When you're under pressure, like before a big exam or presentation, your body releases stress hormones that sharpen your focus and keep you alert. Think of it as your body's way of saying, "You've got this." Studies in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology show that this response can actually help you perform better when you view stress as a tool rather than an obstacle. Number 2. Stress builds resilience. Ever heard the phrase, "What doesn't kill you makes you stronger"? Turns out, it's true. Research from the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences shows that manageable levels of stress can help you bounce back stronger and better prepare for future challenges. It's like a mental workout for your brain. Number 3. Your mindset about stress matters. Here's the big one. How you think about stress can change everything. A study by Alia Crum and her team found that people who view stress as helpful, rather than harmful, actually feel less overwhelmed and perform better. Instead of thinking, "I'm so stressed," try saying, "I'm getting ready for this challenge." That small shift in mindset can make a huge difference. Number 4. Stress fuels personal growth. Some of life's toughest moments, like a career setback or a difficult breakup, can lead to incredible growth. Researchers Tedeschi and Calhoun call this post-traumatic growth. It's the idea that overcoming stress and adversity can make you more self-aware, resilient, and even more appreciative of life. Number 5. Stress brings us together. Here's a surprising fact. Stress can actually strengthen your relationships. Studies from the University of Freiburg found that stress triggers the release of oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, which encourages you to seek support and connect with others. So, when you're stressed, it's your body's way of saying, "You don't have to do this alone." Stress doesn't have to be the bad guy in your story. It's a natural, temporary part of life, and it can actually help you thrive. The key is to recognize it, reframe it, and use it to your advantage. So, the next time you feel stress, remind yourself it's just your body telling you that you're about to do something important. How do you handle stress? Share your tips in the comments, and let's inspire each other to look at stress differently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more ways to ignite your journey.